उदिलो वरुण पूरबभागे द्विजमणि गोरायमणि जागे वतत समोघ लोहिया साथे गेला नगर ब्राजे. The meaning of this song is early morning when the sun was rising. Acha, you got it, huh? All of us sing. All of us sing. उदिलो अरुण पूरब भागे द्विजमणि गोरायमणि जागे लोहिया साथे गेला नगर. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the early morning when the sun was rising, he took all the devotees and went for a stroll on the roads of Navadvip Dham, Mayapur. And Gela Nagara Braje, he was moving around. Dvijamani means the Brahmana Shiromani, Gora means whose body is golden in complexion. Tataye tataye bhajal kol ghana 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 janjera ro. Tataye bhajal kol ghana ghana janjera ro. प्रेमे डला डला सोनार अंग चरणे नो पुरबाजे. प्रेमे डला सोनार अंग चरणे. See, saying tathai tathai means when you played mridangam, beat it, how it sound comes? That's tathai. Tathai tathai bhajala kol. When you play and ghana ghana, that is janjera roll. This is janj means the kartals. So some devotees are playing kartals, others are playing mridangam, and it's very sweet melody sound is produced. And preme dhala dhala sonarang, his body is like golden, and he is lifting the arms with his long flowing beautiful hair. He is dancing very beautifully, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, along with his associates. Preme dhala dhala sonaranga charane nupura baje. And in his feet he is wearing nupur, which is also making jal jal sound. And then what is he saying? You show that. Yeah. And then he is saying, Mukunda Madhava Yadava Hari Bole na bolo re Vadana bhare. Mukunda Madhava Yadava Hari मिचे निदावश गेलो रे राति दिवस शरीर साजे. निदावश गेलो रे राति दिवस शरीर. When he is going like this, there are some people peeping out of their bungalows and watching. Hey, where is the kirtan coming from? And then he is telling everybody, Mukunda, Madhava, Yadava, Hari. Please chant the names of Mukunda, Madhava, Yadava, Hari like this. Bolena, bolore, everybody chant. Vadana, bori. Muhu barke bolo. He is telling. When he says somebody, Krishna, Mukunda, they are very shy. No. Vadana bori means Mukunda, Krishna, Madhava, Rama. Like that you say. That is Vadana bori. With your full mouth, don't feel shy to say Krishna. You don't tell it that. Mukunda Madhava Yadava Hari Bolena Bolore Vadana Bori. Mukunda Madhava Yadava Hari Bolena Bolore मिचे निदावश गेलो रे राति दिवस शरीर साजे. मिचे निदावश गेलो रे राति. Saying whole night goes in simply sleeping. Miche nidavashe gelore rati. Whole raat went in sleeping long hours. Some people sleep 12 hours also. Isn't it? And then he's saying, Divasa Sharira Saje. In daytime, what are people doing? Decorating their bodies in daytime. How many types of sports shoes people have nowadays? How many types of, suits and pants and dresses and t-shirts? How many hairstyles? 24 hairstyles they have. This is 25th one, this one. Isn't it? Disco style, huh? Different styles. How many hairstyles? How many moon style? How many poon style? Huh? Different types of... so people spend a lot of time in decorating their bodies. How many types of Fair and Lovely and so many cosmetics and everything. How much time people spend in that, correct now? How many type of watches, correct? So he's saying, hey, you are all spending so much time in decorating this dying, decaying, dwindling body, material body. And in the night you spend all your time in sleeping, long sleep, like this. And he has not included TV. Nowadays you have to include TV also in this. Watching 6 hours TV, isn't it? So this is called materialistic life. Ye manadulabha manava deho paiya ki karo bhavana ke ho. Ye manadulabha Eve na bhajile Yashoda sutta Charame puji vilaje Eve na You got the very rare human form of life, and in that human form you can awaken bhav for Krishna in your heart. And without awakening bhav, you are wasting your life. Simply running here, running there. You see, just like, for example, if you, the subtle body becomes a template for the gross body. So we have to work on cleansing the subtle body. It's very, very important. And we have to awaken bhav in our heart. Otherwise, our whole life goes in external, like what he said in the previous paragraph. Is it not true? Like you see, we put a USB stick into your computer and then we debug the program. Correct, no? In this way, in your life, what are the bugs to be debugged in our heart? Kama, Krodha, Madha, Lobha, Moha, Matsarya, everything. Correct, no? If you do the debugging complete, the program is running well, at the time of death, it will go back to Godhead. But when the terminals are available, computer terminals, that is the time you can put your USB stick and open the program and debug it, right? No? Sometimes you find no terminals are available, which means animal body. Animal bodies you cannot debug. Can you? No. Only in human form of life we can debug. Cleanse the heart by chanting of the holy name and practicing devotion service. So he says, do not waste. You have to worship the son of Yashoda. Who is it? Krishna, yeah. Otherwise you will lament at the end of your life. Udita tapana hoile asta Tena gelo boli hoive vyasta Udita tapana hoile asta Tena gelo boli Tabe ke no yeve alasa hoy Nabada hridaye raje Alasa hoy Nabada hridaye raje. By the rising of the sun and setting of the sun, your day is gone. Just like there is a calendar where you tear one page every day. You know that? On 31st December, what happens? Our life is also like that only. One day is gone today. Tomorrow one day is gone. Finally, 31st December, last day in our life. Finished. So like that he is saying, your days are going. Dena gelo boli hoive vyasta. You are busy like a bee. But you have no time for Krishna. Tabe keno yebe alasa hoy. Or you are lazy for Krishna consciousness. You see, he is saying. Nabhaja hridaya raja. Your hridaya raja is Krishna. And you are not doing that. Jivana anitya jana hasar tahe nala vida vipadavar Jivana anitya tahe nala vida vipadavar Namashraya kori yatane tumi Takah apana kaje Namashraya kori jivana anitya janahasar. You should know that this body is temporary. It will be finished. But the human form of life is rare. Right now you have a body which can become a springboard to jump back to Godhead. If you don't use it, you can end up in some animal or plant body. Do not waste it. And there are various dangers in this world. Like Ajamila fell prey to lust. In this way, if you are careless in this world, you can fall prey to sinful habits and one may lose the human form of life. So Namashray Kori, take shelter of the holy name, which is the supreme protector of the devotee. And in this way you make spiritual endeavors and achieve perfection. Vivera kalyana sadhanaka jagate achiye madhurana sadhanaka jagate achiye madhurana avidyate mera tapana rupe हृद गगने विराजे तपन रूपे. For the Jivatma, the supreme Kalyan is by the sadhana, which is the chanting of the holy name, Madhura Nam, the most sweet name. And this world is full of darkness. It's actually called as Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, we say, no? So, if one wants to rise above this world of darkness to the spiritual sky, the only link for a devotee to connect with Krishna and go back to him is the holy name. So, take shelter of the holy name. Hrida Gagane Viraje. Again, he is reminding us that the Lord in the heart. Krishna Nama Sudha Kuryapa Judao Bhakti Vinora Pran Krishna Nama Sudha Nam bina kitu nahi tomharo Chauda bhuvana maage Nam bina kitu nahi tomharo Nam bina kitu nahi tomharo Chauda bhuvana maage Nam bina Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare Nam bina kitu nahi tomharo Chauda bhuvana maage Nam bina kitu nahi tomharo. Krishna's name is the only Amritam, nectar. Sudha means Amrit. Judao Bhakti Vinoda Pran. Bhakti Vinoda is requesting, take this holy name, which is the supreme nectar for the jiva. It's exactly the healing herb for the suffering jiva in this world. And in all the 14 worlds, there is nothing like this holy name. This, which is the Hare Krishna mantra, he is saying. So we are going out in the street to propagate this message only. Now you understood? This answer to the question. He was asking, what is the question he asked? Public dancing. This is the meaning of public dancing. So Mahaprabhu himself taught us that we should go out in the public and we should raise our arms, which is an indication of surrender, isn't it? And we should dance also. The reason why do we dance? In Bharat also people dance, you've seen, no? How many of you, even rich people dance also. They want to show the world, we will dance in abandon for showing to the world that our boy is getting married. All of you see how happy we are, correct, no? So they want to show the world how happy they are. They want to show their boy that we love you so much. So the boy is having some this thing, turban or something he has put, he's sitting on the back of a horse like a king for one day. So, isn't it? And for him they are dancing. Why can't we dance for Krishna, who is actually Nayakanam Shiroratnam Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam? You see? He is the supreme Nayaka for eternity. So why can't we dance for his pleasure? So we dance for his pleasure and we sing, we dance, we distribute the Naam. One Maharaj, Navagendra Maharaj used to sing a beautiful song. लूट लो जिसका दिल चाहे मैं शोर मचाऊं गली गली कृष्ण नाम के हीरे मोती मैं बकराऊं गली गली नाम राम नाम के हीरे मोती मैं बिखराऊं गली गली कृष्ण नाम के हीरे मोती मैं बिखराऊं गली गली. What is the meaning of this song? लूट लो जिसका दिल चाहे means anybody who want to steal these valuable diamonds that I am taking out of my purse or bag and I am throwing out, just notice it's a very valuable diamond in all the 14 worlds. लूट लो जिसका दिल चाहे मैं शोर मचाऊं गली गली. Not only that, I am openly making announcement to everybody. See, when you keep some valuable diamond, you will not tell anybody where you have kept it. You log it and keep it inside the bureau. But now I am शोर मचाकर बता रहा हूँ सबको, अरे इधर मैं डायमंड बिकर रहा हूँ, आकर ले लो. क्या डायमंड है? कृष्ण नाम के हीरे मोती मैं बिकराऊं गली गली. So when you go for Harinam, you should think I am taking out diamonds and throwing to people. Take Ram Naam, take Krishna Naam, take Hare. Correct, no? That's what we are doing actually. All of you see, when you chanted Hare Krishna, how your life transformed. You see? You became such a perfect gentleman. I don't know where we would have gone, what direction our life would have gone, we don't know. If we did not come to devotees. We can become degraded like a pig or a dog actually. That is quite possible. But we were brought to the right direction because of the pure name, you see. So we have to distribute the holy name in that consciousness as if it's more than a diamond. It's like Chintamani diamond we are distributing, you see. So we are going for our benefit and their benefit. What is our benefit? Now by going in the street and dancing for Krishna, our convictions will build. Our bhakti will develop. Krishna will become pleased with us and bless us. That here is somebody, he is, sharam chodkar mere liye naach raha hai. Dekho kya bhakta mera. He will become very pleased with you. Prabhupada will be pleased also. And other people also, when they see you dancing, many people tap their shoes, many people clap their hands, many people call you and buy a book. You distribute prasad, distribute books, Sometimes when the people say Harinam, they get energy to buy a book. They get चाहते इतना ये लोग खुश हैं, मुझे भी खुशी चाहिए, मैं भी कर दूंगा. किताब ले लेते हैं. Some people ask, how can I become happy like you? He said, take a book. It's very simple, na? Give them a book, is it not? Yeah.